Are you the kind of person that gets invited along on all the POTA expeditions because the bugs love you? Yeah, me too. Hang on a minute. I got a solution I'm going to show you. Stay tuned. So I am here at Elbow Falls Provincial Recreation Area in beautiful Kananaskis Country, Alberta. And I am going to show you the Little P car sunshade front side window breathable fabric. Translation, it's a screen for your truck or your car. They come in two different sizes and they come with a zipper in them or not. Depends on what you want. Take a look at the links down below, and I'll have some Amazon links in there, which is where I got them from. Big shout out to my friend Stuart VE9CF Charlie Fox's his YouTube channel. Once again, take a look down below and you'll see exactly his video that he did in bug infested New Brunswick. It's not quite bug infested here today, but I've got my anti-bug shirt on and my bug spray is with me because I'm expecting it at some time. So let's get into this thing and see how it works. Beautiful deluxe plastic bag packaging. There are instructions, and the instructions look like this. Nice and easy. They're got different labels on them: white for the driver's side, green for the passenger side. Boy, that makes it simple. I like simple. White for the driver's side. And there's a pocket here for the mirror. Oh, that's fast. No. Yep, that is fast. I like it. And I can still get airflow through the truck when I'm sitting there, staying away from the bugs. Now, if I really need to, there's a zipper there, although there's no zipper to the other side. I'm not quite sure why that's there. I'll have to read the Amazon description. And I guess taking it off is probably about as simple as putting it on. Hopefully simpler. Boy, that was easy. Gotta get one of them easy button pictures right here, right now.
That was easy.
That's it. Hey, I hope you enjoy this quick little video I took of Elbow Falls at the highest water flow of the year. It's late June and there's a lot of melt coming off the Canadian Rockies. #73, thanks for coming by.